How to fix invite collaborator missing on Instagram. If you're wondering how to fix invite collaborator missing on Instagram, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure that your app is of the latest version. You can do that by going to your Play Store and typing Instagram, and go ahead and click on this update button right here. Another method is restarting your app and restarting your phone as well. Another method is also you can go ahead and open your Instagram. So go to your profile icon and then click on the three bars at the top right corner. So go ahead and click on settings. Now you'll see it says privacy right here. So click on privacy and make sure that your account is not a private account. So if this is highlighted green, go ahead and tap on it and it will turn gray as it is shown here. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on post, and where it says who can tag you, if it's no one or people you follow, go ahead and make sure that it is on everyone, and then go ahead and restart the app. Another method is you can go ahead and click on this help button right here. So go ahead and click on report a problem, and you can shake where you saw the problem or you can continue without shaking. So I'm just going to click on report a problem without shaking. And if you would like to include your complete logs and diagnostics, you can do that. I'm just going to press don't include and continue at the very bottom. So you can explain what has happened or what's not working, and you can even upload a screenshot. So you can just type something like, I'm not receiving add collaborator option on Instagram. Please help me to solve this as soon as possible, and upload a screenshot. And then you can press send at the very top right corner, and this problem should be solved within a few days. So that is how to fix invite collaborator missing on Instagram.